Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, sir. My name is Nurul Nabila Madaniyah. I'm from English Education F20. So, in this moment, I will explain the answer of number 2 and 3 from final test that you have give for me before. Please allow me to use Indonesian and English language to explain the answer. Okay, we move to the number 2. So for the number 2, I will find the standard deviation and the variance. In this paper, I have write the table that is xe and xe quadrat. For xe, I have write 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 8, 9, 9, and the total is 73. From where I get the 73 is I have tambah 5 sampai 9 dan the answer is 73. And then for the xe quadrat, I have write 25, 36, 36, 49, 49, 64, 64, 64, and 81, 81. And the total from it is 549. From where I get 25, it is from 5 times 5, it is 25, 6 times 6, it is 36, and 6 times 6, it is also 36, until 9 times 9, it is 81, and the total is 549. Next, we move to the formula. It is sigma n 1 equal 1 xe quadrat equal 73 quadrat. 73, it is from xe that I have total it before, that is 73, and the quadrat is from this, and the total is 5,329. I get it from 73 times 73, and the total is 5,329. Okay, next we move to the formula 2. It is S equal akar n xe 2 minus n sigma 1 equal 1 xe quadrat. And then 10 dalam kurung 549 minus 5,329 per 10 dalam kurung 9. Why can I get 10? It is because the n is from 5 until 9, that I take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is 10. Xe 2, it is 549 minus n sigma 1 equal 1 xe quadrat. It is get from this. It is mean 5,329, and the n is 10, n minus 1, I get 9, and then 161 per 90, it is from 549 times 10, and then minus 5,329, I get 161, and 19, I get from 10 times 9, it is 90, and then I get akar 1,79, and the standard deviation is 1.338. And then we move to the next is S quadrat equal n sigma n 1 equal 1 xe quadrat minus n sigma 1 equal 1 xe quadrat per n minus 1, and like I said it before, I get 10, and xe2 is 549 minus 5,329. I get it from this, and per 10 and minus 1, that 10 minus 1, and then we move to the next step. It is how can I get 5,490? It is from 549. I times 10, and then I minus it with 5,329 per 90. It is from 10 times 9, it is get 90, and then 5,490 minus 5,329, I get 161 per 90, and the answer for variation is 1.79. Okay, next we move to the number 3. Okay, for the number 3, I have write into the paper like this in the table too. Before it, in the question at the paper final test, it is only have X motivation and 9 learning achievement. And for the X motivation, that is 8, 7, 6, 7, 7, 4, 6, 4, 7, 8, and the total is 64. And for Y learning achievement, it is have 9, 8, 6, 8, 7, 5, 7, 5, 7, 9, and the total from it is 71. And then I have XY. It is 72, 56, 36, 56, 49, 20, 42, 20, 49, 70, and the equal from it, it is 472. Why can I get the answer it is 72? Because um, it is from 8 times 9, it is 72, and 7 times 8, it is 56, and etc. And then we move to the x quadrant. It have 64, 49, 36, 49, 49, 16, 36, 16, 49, and 64, and the equal is 428. Why can I get how can I get the answer is 64? Because I take it from the x, and and at this we have x quadrant, and 8 times 8, it is 64. 7 times 7, it is 49. 6 times 6, it is 36, and etc. And next we move to the y quadrant. Same as like x2. For the y learning achievement, I have total it by times like this. 9 times 9, it is 81. 8 times 8, it is 64, and the total from 9 quadrant, it is 523. And next we move to the formula. So we have x sigma x quadrat equal 4096, and sigma y quadrat we have 541. And then we move to the formula 2. In the formula that I have in the paper of final test, the formula is R equal N sigma XY minus dalam kurung sigma X tutup kurung buka kurung sigma Y tutup kurung per dalam akar N sigma X2 minus X sigma X2 N sigma Y2 minus X sigma Y quadrat. And then why can I get n that is 10? It is from this x7 until x, it is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And x sigma xy 472, I get it from this. And then 64 sigma x I get from this, and sigma y I get from this. And then 10, and it is 10, sigma x quadrat, it is 428, I get it from this too. Minus 4096, I get it from this. And like this, 10 I get it from here, and then 523 I get from this, and 5041 I get from this. And then 4720 minus 4544. How can I get 4720? I times it. 472 times 10, I get this. And for 5544, I get 64 times 71. And then 4218 I get from this, I have times it, and then minus 4096, and then I get 5230, I times with 10, and minus 5041 from this. And then for the next step, 4720, I minus it with 4544, I get 176 per dalam akar 184. It is 4218 minus 4096, I get 184, and 5230 minus 5041, I get 189, and equal 176 per dalam akar. It is 184 times 189, I get 34,776, and equal I get 176 per dalam akar 186.48, and then I get the answer is 0.944. Okay, that's all from my explanation, sir. Good afternoon and thank you.